back to HVI Auto. We are starting the video off in a 2018 Porsche Boxster S. This is a beautiful Miami blue Boxster S that we have available with 27,000 miles on it. It's really just ready for a whole new life and a whole new owner. So if you're already curious, go ahead and click the link in the description. You can check out more pictures and get in contact with the team about picking up this beautiful Boxster S. Now this one is a really cool spec, like I mentioned, has Miami blue, and it also has a really unique interior, which I feel like it's a little bit more customized from the previous owner compared to what you can get from factory. So we're gonna just honestly dive right into this one. I'm gonna show you guys the interior, and yeah, just pretty simple video today. Taking a look right into this interior of this 2018 Boxster S, again presented in Miami blue with this beautiful black leather interior. You'll notice right off the bat that you do have hints of Miami blue in the stitching in the steering wheel, which is a really nice feature. I do believe this is aftermarket, just like custom upholstery, which is actually really nice. They did a really good job on this one. And it's still just, it feels like an OEM steering wheel. What I really love about this steering wheel, as you guys know, is I love just the redefined look, and also you do have your drive modes right there. This car is a PDK transmission, for those that are curious. You do have your sport chassis mode right there. You have active aero and your active exhaust right there. Nothing too crazy going on with the center console area, but you'll just note all that black leather. And working our way to the seats, these are, I believe these are custom upholstered seats, because the 718S is not really common in this car. And you'll notice that it is black leather, but you also have that black Alcantara with, again, more of those hints of the Miami blue, but also you have Miami blue running down the Alcantara center area, which I kind of think is, it's a nice little touch. It's definitely different. These are like a partial, so where they do have some electronics in them, it's mostly a manually adjusting seat, so just keep that in mind with getting a quick look at the interior from the outside. I love how that Miami blue just really flows with the interior, and it's so predominant in this interior, because obviously it's very much predominant on the exterior. Again, Miami blue, really beautiful color, one of my favorite colors from the factory. You do have those black wheels on there, which I really like this style of spoke. I would change those red calipers. Those are the steel brakes. I would change that caliper color to probably either blue, white, or just like a black, or even yellow. That could actually look really cool. You do have the black housing headlights on here, which I think complement the front end and the whole look of the car really well. Moving along to the back, you've got your Boxster S decal right there. Really love these tail lights. I've expressed that in other 718 videos. Active aero. You do have your center exit exhaust that is an active exhaust. Overall, just a really good looking car, really good looking convertible, and honestly, one of my favorite specs that's come through here for a Boxster. Now, I'm not the biggest Boxster fan in the world, but this one is actually really nice. Again, low miles, under 30,000 miles, and it just looks so good. Handles really well. This is a great summer vehicle option for those that are looking and those are curious. So this is what it's looking like with the top down. I really do love how the black and the blue work together really well on this. I love that this is a black top and these accent pieces are black as well. So it really just kind of hides and flows with everything as a whole. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you are curious, again, about this 2018 Boxster S, click the link in the description below, as you can check out more information and photos on the car. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.